can't even get this in his mouth. Open up, open, open, open. Open, open, open. I can't even get him to open his little mouth. Oh yeah, there he goes. There he goes. It's so hard to see what he's doing. He really latched onto it now. He wants more. He's begging, I think.
Not too much.
Wow, this is amazing.
Move your thumb.
He can't move his thumb.
No, move your thumb. A little bit. Trying to get the whole body in. That's cool.
His little crop is filling up.
Yeah, see it. Give him a break. He'll keep going until he throws up. You better not fill him up too much.